fairly common for lakes. And we've got it weighted so it hangs vertically. You want to make sure the bathoscope is close to your eyes, that your eyes adjust to the light in there before you take your readings, and that the path of light is uniformly lit, so usually the sunny side of the boat, so you don't get a shadow from the boat. And then we're looking at 2 independent readings. You'll see the disc just disappear, that's the first reading, then reappear, that's the second reading. Maybe get the second person to read it if that's possible. They should be within 10% of each other.
It's 3.5 because we've got 300 mils between here and there.